How to make all TikTok videos private at once. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make all TikTok videos private at once. Well, first things first, open up TikTok. Head over to your profile. Once you're in a profile, all you gotta do to set your particular video to private is open up video, tap on three dots, swipe towards the right and you'll find the privacy settings, tap on it and then select only you. However, what if you wish to do it for all? Now there is no any direct option to set all your videos private at once, but what you can do is you can set your account itself to private. So that way, if no one except your followers that you have accepted will be able to view your videos. Now you can also set the videos to be set as to be viewed by friends only, but tap on the hamburger icon once on profile, head into settings and privacy, head into privacy and you can see private account. You can enable this. So this is how you can set all your videos to private on TikTok at once. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.